Yo, what's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Tony here and I'm back again with another video.
Are you drunk or you on drugs? Which one?
So today is yet another video where I show you how to make an extra income from a side hustle inside of Fiverr. Okay, this side hustle alone has made me $390 so far. I know $390 might not be so much for some persons, but to me, I appreciate it because I made it doing absolutely nothing on Fiverr. Okay, not just from a gig. Okay, I made it off a gig and also went ahead to make money from that particular gig I was paid, to deliver. All right. So I know a lot of folks, fake it on this platform. I know a lot of people, send fake screenshots. So let me quickly dive into my dashboard and show you guys that this is real. Okay, and I actually made this. Okay guys, so let me refresh so you guys can see. Let me refresh so you guys can see this is real, right? I just have 29 clicks and had 6 sign up. So from 6 sign up I made this amount. Okay, so guys, if you stick around, I'm going to show you how I made this same amount doing absolutely nothing on Fiverr. So if you stick around, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video, share this video, leave a comment always. Okay, after watching this video, it helps tell YouTube that this channel is doing great and let's grow together. So without wasting much of our time, let's roll the intro. Okay, so welcome back guys. So I are here to learn how I made $390 from a side hustle inside of Fiverr. Okay, so let me quickly show you this and then proceed to how you can make this same amount doing this, applying this same method. Okay, so I made this money from a company called Bluehost. It's a hosting company. Actually, I have one of my gigs that is centered on WordPress. Okay, just I install WordPress theme on some and then I do some advanced work on some with my partner. Okay, so all I did was some clients that came for WordPress installation came to me, and some of them didn't have a hosting plan and all that, and some of them didn't have a domain and all that. Okay, so I sent them a referral link. I signed up on Bluehost as an affiliate. Okay, so when you sign up as an affiliate on Bluehost, they will give you a genuine link that is specific to you, that is very genuine and very personal to you. So whenever you share that link to a client trying to sign up or buy a hosting or buy any service from this particular company, like in my case Bluehost, whenever you share your link and they buy from that link, you get to earn as much as $65 per sign up. Okay, and I've had I think there are 6 sign-ups or thereabout, or more than that. Okay, I'll put it up on the screen. I've had this sign-up persons, number of clients that signed up using my affiliate link, and each time they sign up, I get paid $65 in my PayPal. Okay, they take payments through PayPal. So how does this apply to you? That's my question. How does this apply to you? You are not doing a WordPress gig, or you are not doing any gig as mine. So the idea behind this is that you sign up, you offer a particular service on Fiverr, is it not? Let's take for example, you are a YouTuber. Okay, you offer YouTube content and handling of your client's YouTube channel. Okay, and let's take for instance, you get a client that wants you to handle his or her channel for a month. A month is even a lot of time, like 7 days or something, a week, before he hires you for long term. Okay, so this client pays you to do that gig, but in the process of doing your work, you realize that you use some tools. Okay, you're using tools like vidIQ for ranking the client's gig. You'll be using tools like 2BD, to do that. You'll be using like Pro Video Blasters for ranking of your Fiverr, your customers' gigs. And these 3 tools I mentioned, they all have affiliate programs with them. Okay, so it's now left for you to go on vidIQ, which I also have, which I'm an affiliate on vidIQ, and I just signed up a few days ago. So you sign up on vidIQ as an affiliate or 2BD as an affiliate, and they give you a specific link, personal to you. So you share this link with your client, share it with your client and tell him, okay, look, I need this tool, to be able to handle your channel very well and rank your gigs, your videos, sorry, and rank your videos. Okay, so when you share it to these clients, when these clients, most of them, like 70% of them, will definitely purchase that tool. Okay, I mean, who doesn't want to, his YouTube channel to grow if he or she is to use one or two tools? So when they purchase from that particular link, you get paid. I think vidIQ pays as much as $9, and 2BD, I don't know how much they pay, but they pay. But making $9 per sign up, isn't that bad. Okay, not just that you are making that amount, the client is going to pay you for your gig. Let's assume you are charging $50 for your gig. Okay, so you are going to, in when they remove their 20%, it may in what's it called, $38 or $40 thereabout. Okay, so plus a $9 tip from your affiliate earnings. Okay, so away from the YouTube, the people that offer YouTube gigs. Okay, let's take for example, you're a writer on Fiverr, you offer writing services. Okay, as a writer, you use so many tools, right? So you someone hired you for a gig on Fiverr to write, or to handle their blog post and all that, and you need your tenses, your grammar to be perfect for the client, and you have Grammarly, isn't it? So you can pitch to the client, hello, please, I need this tool for doing something very, very, I need this tool to get your gigs going. I need this tool to offer quality service for you. Okay, do you mind purchasing it so I can use it? All right, many clients who that understands the client and the seller and buyer relationship will definitely want to buy that tool for you. Okay, and you send in your affiliate, they get the tool, and you get to offer quality service and earn on the side. Okay, that aside, that's for those in writing. Those in that do what's it called, so many, okay, those that offer video creation services on Fiverr, you have so many tools that you use. You have so many premium softwares that you use that have affiliate program under them. Okay, you can sign up and share these links with your customers. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple and very efficient. Okay, so I'll stop here, guys. I've stressed it enough. So first things first, guys. So go over to your gig, find out, go on Google, search about tools that you use. If you are into writing, if you are into ebook writing, if you are into any gig that you're into, just search up the tools that you use to deliver that particular gig, and look up their affiliate if they have an affiliate program. If they don't have, you can even send them a mail, the company a mail, and see if they have any available. Okay, so if they have, sign up. Okay, copy your link, and whenever I want to deliver a gig, but send it, pitch it to the client in a right manner. Okay, it's not your right, in a right manner. You can tell the client, okay, please, blah blah blah, you need this tool, please can you purchase it through my link? Tell them up front, and definitely 70% of them will understand and purchase it through your link, and you end up making an extra buck in your pocket. Okay, in addition to the money you are paid to deliver a gig. I hope you guys get the gist right now, and I'll stop here for now. Okay, so guys, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Leave a question in the comment section, and remember, I'm rewarding my active subscribers, persons that are very, very active on my channel. I'm giving out my free video editing and how to shoot professional videos on your mobile phone away. Okay, for my active subscribers, and for those that can win it, I'm just giving it out for two persons. The link will be in the comment section, also in the description, so make sure you cop that. All right, so share this video if you enjoyed it. Share this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps tell YouTube that this channel is doing absolutely amazing work. Okay, so it helps us grow, okay, and blow up this channel. And if you're not yet subscribed, do that right now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.